So, cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. We have some wild consignments to review. Toys, we have some wild consignments to review. Things like electric motors for our upcoming auction. It's going to be a fun, eclectic mix. I think we're going to call it something to the effect of unique objects and toys. And then the premier auction for toys for things like this, which is the turbine steam engine by Jensen. Here's some nice Wilkins, Kenton, Hubley. Got some Banks down there. Great objects coming up. Hope everybody's enjoying this. Interesting cast iron back there. Banks. Yes, that is a horse head. We're going to call it the Godfather Special. And that's a Tetsujin 28 rocket plane inside. More. And more. Unique objects. Here's a close-up of that Team Associated sweet little RC car. Built just like the cover, with a couple of nice modifications. Here's a nice steam shovel. Here's an English boxed Marks Merrymakers Layman. I believe it's the Lila Kenton cement mixer. Hirschberg collection back there. This Steam Toys from the Hirschberg collection. And the Silver Eagle is really gorgeous new old stock. That's a Dent. Owned by Don Markey, or Donald Markey. So cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys and crew. Hope everybody has a great day. And be sure to like, be sure to subscribe, be sure to check out our t-shirts and apparel. AntiqueToys.com, and check out Mars, M-A-R-Z auctions on Live Auctioneers coming up shortly. Take care.